right now. Back. Stop! You touch me! Stop!
Palm Beach County, June 29th. One DUI stop is about to split into two separate criminal cases, and neither man sees it coming yet. Florida doesn't require a crash to charge DUI. Being impaired while in actual physical control of a vehicle is enough on its own. Passed out at a red light qualifies just the same as swerving down the highway. He's not just suspended. Deputies note it's suspended with knowledge. That one phrase turns a paperwork violation into a chargeable misdemeanor. Prosecutors have to prove he knew that. This footage is doing that work for them. Multiple bags sitting within arm's reach of the driver's seat. Under Florida law, that's constructive possession. You don't have to touch it, you just have to control the space it's in. Add the open container in the console, and deputies have 3 separate violations documented before his ID even comes back. A first DUI conviction alone can mean up to 6 months in jail and thousands in fines before the suspended license charge is even added.
It's locked. Yeah.
Get a beer?
Yep. Open up. Open up the car. No, keep your hands up and open up the car. Open up the front door. What's up, my man? Unlock the front door now. Unlock it. Put the car in drive. Don't reach for nothing, you understand? Keep your hands up. Just let go. Come step out of the car for me, my man. You got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Alright. Turn around for me. Turn. I just want to make sure you don't got any weapons on you, okay? Here, hold on. I don't want you falling on me. Here. Come walk back with me here. There we go. I don't want you reaching for nothing, okay? Thank you. Just let it go. I don't want you reaching for anything, okay? Come over here for a sec. I don't want you to fall, alright? You're not that steady on your feet, okay?
All right.
So grab a seat right there. Well, you're passed out behind the wheel, so... Alright? Grab a seat for me.
Passed out behind the wheel.
Yeah, you've been sitting through these last 2 light cycles. Passed out behind the wheel there. Okay? You have any medical problems?
No, sir.
No medical problems?
No, sir.
Will you get an FI-14 for me? Yeah. Guinness, open, 5.6 alcohol volume, cold to the touch. Bag 57. Right there in the console, multiple bags. Go look in the car. You don't have any ID on you? Where's your ID at? So you don't have a valid driver's license? What's this suspended for?
It's a ticket.
For tickets? Okay. Whose vehicle? Your mom's? Okay. How much you had to drink today?
Yeah, anything from last night.
I can't hear you.
Anything from last night.
What's in the car? Well, that thing's half drank and cold. It's definitely not from last night.
What? A beer?
Yeah, the beer that's in the console.
Yeah, well, probably from the passenger.
Okay. All right, no worries. We ready to stay 10-12 for a second? All right. Go ahead and turn around for me. All right. I'll show you right back. Put your hands together like you're praying for me. All right. So at this time, sir, I am placing you under arrest. Okay. It's going to be for DUI, possession of narcotics. Driving on a suspended license with knowledge, okay? You understand? Alright, come here. Just come over this way.
Hey, for what?
Hey, come here. Real quick. Okay, we'll slow down for a second. Come over here.
Hey, man.
Why are you acting?
Because you already in the small bro. Like,
why are you acting?
For what? To give my mom my
Okay. As soon as I make sure there's nothing in it, I will absolutely get to it.
Search it.
Okay, well, relax.
No, relax. You could have did all that already. Go in my pocket, bro. Do what you gonna do with them. No, relax. You relax. You got my hands up in the house.
Put your hands in the air.
You got my in the house. Straight up.
Okay, then put your hands down.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, nobody did that. You did it. Your car?
Okay.
I need you to transport it to the station.
Sure. You search him?
They search him.
Yeah, just West Palm.
A relative on scene insists she watched him pass every test. Legally, that doesn't move the needle. Field sobriety exercises are scored against standardized trained criteria, not a bystander's read of he didn't stumble. The deputy's answer is blunt, but accurate. She doesn't know what she didn't see. That's the actual evidentiary standard, not attitude.
That's messed up. He did all the tests. I see him.
And he passed everything. I ain't seen
I don't know what the observations were because I was not doing tests. Huh? Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Absolutely.
I saw him doing everything he was asked to do.
He didn't stumble, fall, or anything. Yeah, they be itching to take somebody to jail.
Nope. Absolutely not.
Absolutely.
Absolutely
yes,
not,
absolutely. Maybe not you because you're not the arresting officer, but they definitely be itching to take someone from the body. Hey, come on, man. Can I get his property? Can I have his property, please?
We'll get you the property, man.
Okay then. He say he gonna give it to me. Don't y'all leave without giving it to me.
I'll go to the jail.
Yeah, we gotta go there first.
I don't want to go there. How about that? Call the sergeant. I don't want to go there. I ain't going.
Talk to the sergeant there.
No, I ain't going. Y'all gonna have to go and see to the hospital. I'm telling you, I'm gonna fall out right now, bro. I ain't going up, bro. My heart already beat fast, bro. It's already.
You need medics?
Yeah, I'm telling you what's gonna happen. I ain't going up, bro. I ain't going, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Keep him down.
You can't expect for him not to be concerned about his son. You can't expect for him not to be concerned about his son.
Should we start medics? Said he was going to fall out. So. He said if we take him to West Palm, he said he was going to fall out. So we can get medics.
Are you okay?
Huh? No, he said if he was going to West Palm HQ, he was going to fall out. So here he goes.
You are?
What did he think? Well, I see him do everything you asked him to do. Did y'all videotape that?
Of course.
I want to
we're
see
still
that.
recording.
I didn't see him stumble or anything.
Okay. Well, you don't know how to conduct field sobriety exercise, number one. Okay. So you don't know what we see.
I've seen him done
Number
several
one.
times.
Okay. Number two, you also don't see the large amount of drugs in the car, or the fact that his driver's license is suspended with knowledge, or all the other things going on here today that you didn't see, sir.
Watch it.
So respectfully.
What?
Hey,
Back up.
Hey, don't back up! Put your hands off me, boy! Don't put your hands on me, man!
Don't touch my father-in-law. Come on.
Back up. I'll tase you right now. Back up. Now.
You making it worse.
Back up.
You making it worse.
Right now.
You making it
Back
worse.
up.
Got him on the ground.
Go ahead on y'all.
I'm not going to tell you again. Back
He's
up.
back. Why you keep
Get off the
saying
scene
it? He's
now.
back. He's back.
Right now.
He's still saying back up, but he's not charging him. Like, what the f***?
Stay off the roadway.
Okay, I didn't see it, sir. They're not going to relax.
Nobody is coming towards you. You started saying back up. How can you not expect for him to be sick like the
Sir,
certified
I
son?
understand. I'm a father too, sir. I get it.
No, he ain't. Baby, no. He needs ambulance. He needs somebody to check on him.
Medics are on their way.
Come on now. Like, look at him, man.
Medics are on their way.
Come on. Come on now. Come on. All right, that's Greg, come on. Hey, what you gonna shoot me? Greg, don't do that.
Sir, if you don't stop.
Sir, if you don't stop. Do it, mama. Greg, come on. You got him.
My son on the ground, knocked out. Put your hands behind your back. 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 No, we're done. Put your hands behind your back.
Let me drop.
You are under arrest.
Let me get my wife.
Put your hands behind your back.
Come on, let me get my wife.
Back off him now. Back off. Put your hands behind your back. Back away from me right now. Back.
Stop. You touch me. Stop. Stop.
Cut it out. Hit me. Let go of my shit now.
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down.
Stay down.
Stay down.
Don't hit me. No.
Hey, stay down.
Stay down.
No.
Stay down. Stay down.
Get on the ground, sir.
Comply. Stop resisting.
Okay, I'm gonna
All right, calm down.
I just want to get my wife.
Okay, calm down.
Okay, here.
Okay, calm down.
I'm good. I'm good.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Lay on your
Put your hand behind your back.
Give me the other hand.
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, I got a bad leg.
Okay, I got you. I know you do. Give me the other hand. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Okay? All right. All right. I got it.
We're a little tight, okay?
I'll get it. I'll adjust it when we're good. I'll adjust it when I'll adjust it in a moment, all right? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm cool with you. Stop manhandling me. Can you handle me, please?
Calm down.
Let me go. Let me go. Can you see my pays and everything showing?
Hey, bro, like, chill out, bro, like, come on, bro, like.
Hey, what the f? He started pushing on me and mama.
Yeah,
When I didn't go doing Let me go and let him handle me.
I got you. I'm here, okay? I'm here, okay?
I'm asking, can he handle me?
Okay. I'm here.
Can you tell him to stop?
All right, I'm here.
I got that, but I will deal with you, but not him.
All right. Just sit in the car for me to turn on the AC for you, okay? I don't want you to get hot back here.
Come up to get him in the car.
I'm good.
We have enough in the car?
You roll onto your butt.
Yours good?
You able to sit up? All right. We're going to help you up, all right?
Just these cuffs got me. Oh,
Yep.
man.
I got
My
you.
knuckles.
I got you, boss. I'm here. Two of us can help you out.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Go. Come on, OG.
Okay.
Come on, OG.
I'm just concerned about my son. He look like he's knocked out.
I got you, OG. I got you. We're not going to let nothing happen to him.
Yeah,
I feel you, man. I know it's hard to trust us sometimes, right? I got you, though.
Yeah, man.
Now we on a whole nother level with some other shit.
Okay.
All right?
He's going to be 15.
I'm good.
So,
I didn't battery nobody.
yeah, okay.
Don't why y'all do this? My son look like he did everything y'all actually did.
Or what? All right, just give me a second.
Hey, no, get my keys right. Can I get my
Everything
wife
was
to
returned to him in the hat.
get my keys to my truck? Hey, can y'all get my keys to my wife?
Where is it?
Yeah, in my pocket right here.
Here?
Yeah.
All right. You got anything else that's going to stab me, poke me, stick me?
No.
All right, bro.
Yeah,
Hurricanes? Oh, you a Hurricanes fan?
Yeah.
Come on, G. You want the
I
phone?
played for the university. Give it to me.
Okay. You good? 10,
Yeah,
12?
I'm not.
All right.
Give me his necklace.
All right, stay right here. All right, do me a favor. Do you want your watch to go with your wife?
Yeah, you can do
All
that.
right. There you go.
I'm a law-abiding citizen, sir.
You got a chain
I know
on you? Anything else you want to go with her?
Y'all know sergeant.
Let's get this thing
died
adjusted.
a couple years ago.
Okay.
The police officer. I know a couple of police officers.
Can you go in your car? You know, it pains me to have to put hands on a Hurricanes fan, man. Come on, man. We was almost done, bro.
I just didn't like my son.
I know.
He looked like he's knocked
You were
out.
given plenty of warnings.
I know.
To back up, stop.
Hey,
You bought this one.
I deserve it. No problem. No problem.
We're gonna go over here,
I
sir.
just have to take the bullet.
We're gonna go over here. All right, I need you to stand up against the vehicle real quick so I can adjust your cuffs.
Hey, how about my wallet here too?
Your wallet?
Yeah, give this to me.
All right, yeah. I got one more, yeah.
Give me my wallet.
Right there.
It's on your wife. Yes, sir.
All right, do me a favor. Put your hands. Okay, you stay 10, 12 of me real quick? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Right. Okay. And you can just take a seat in there for me.
Go ahead, boss.
Well, anyone was wrong. Medics 97.
Then the scene shifts. A second man moves toward the arrest in progress, past repeated orders to stay back. Officers are allowed to set a safety perimeter around an active arrest. Ignoring a lawful order to step back is where worried relative starts becoming a legal problem. Physical contact with an officer, even brief, even without a swing thrown, meets Florida's definition of battery. Wanting to help doesn't change the elements of the offense. Because the officer was performing official duties, that battery isn't a misdemeanor. Florida reclassifies battery on a law enforcement officer as a third-degree felony, up to 5 years, with a mandatory minimum jail term. Fighting the takedown itself is a second, separate felony, resisting an officer with violence. Simple resisting, just refusing commands, is a misdemeanor here. The moment it turns physical, it isn't anymore. I was trying to check on my son, explains motive. It doesn't erase either charge. Neither offense requires proving he meant harm, only that he made contact and fought the arrest. So the exposure flips fast. The driver is looking at a DUI and a suspended license misdemeanor. The man who came to help him is now carrying 2 felonies, more time on the table than the person he was trying to protect. Once the fight is over, watch what the deputies do. They calm him down, adjust the cuffs, help him to his feet. That's not incidental. Force that stops the moment resistance stops is exactly what the standard requires. Here's the lesson. Showing up for family at an arrest scene is instinct. Nobody's wrong for feeling it. But in Florida, closing that last few feet toward an officer with your hands, your body, your voice is what turns a witness into a co-defendant. If someone you love is in custody, the tool that actually helps them is a phone call to a lawyer, not a step forward. One traffic stop. 2 men, 2 separate case files, and the one who thought he was protecting his son now needs a lawyer of his own. That's the case. 2 men, 1 stop, 2 very different outcomes. Follow for the next body cam breakdown.